guys, what's up? In today's video, we are looking at why managers are important for an organization. So let's get started. But make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. So there are 3 reasons why managers are important for an organization. First one is managers are needed for dealing with everyday challenges. As we all are aware that today's times are very critical and they are complex, uncertain and chaotic. Most of the blame is on technology, of course. Hence, for dealing with these situations, organization needs managers' abilities and skills. Managers of the organization are playing a critical role by identifying the issues faced by organization as well as by crafting a response for those issues. Second thing is that managers are responsible for getting things done in an organization. They may not work by themselves, but they do create an environment where people are going to work. And if the time comes, sometimes manager does other jobs as well. For instance, the manager of the Starbucks is going to make sure that the environment is friendly and good and every employee is capable of doing their job. They have all the required things and they have all the required skills. But if there is a rush hour, it's very likely that you will see the manager of that branch working along with the employees so that the organization can run smoothly. Third and last reason is that managers are contributing to the productivity and loyalty of the employees. Satisfaction of the employees of an organization and their treatment in the organization impacts the financial performance of the organization. Along with that, they are also impacting position of an organization in a market. So those were 3 reasons why managers are important to an organization. I am creating a guidebook. It will be linked in the description box. Make sure to go get it. And yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Do subscribe and share, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.